Johnny Sauter in that blue 21. The control truck. Justin Haley, his teammate in the 24. Restarting at Charlotte. Camping World, 10 to go. Kyle Busch to the bottom, getting past Justin Haley for third. Haley around.
Moffitt got into Haley. What is he going to save it?
What a save by Justin Haley, still green. Wow. 5 laps left here at Charlotte. Johnny Sauter continues to lead, but what a battle behind him. White flag is out for Sauter. What a season it has been for Johnny Sauter. Already a 2-time winner. Won the season opener at Daytona a couple of weeks ago in a dramatic finish. Won at Dover. And now holding off a couple of KBM trucks and all other Chargers. Johnny Sauter through turn 4. He's going to do it. And for the first time, win at Charlotte.
We won at Charlotte! Yes!